Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits. Here are some of the claimed benefits associated with apple cider vinegar. 1. Digestive health. Apple cider vinegar is believed to aid digestion by stimulating the production of stomach acid, which can help break down food more effectively. It may also help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, such as heartburn and bloating. 2. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar before meals can improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. This effect may be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. 3. Weight management. Apple cider vinegar may help support weight loss efforts by increasing feelings of fullness, reducing calorie intake, and improving metabolism. However, the evidence is limited, and it should not be considered a magic solution for weight loss. 4. Cholesterol and heart health. Some animal studies indicate that apple cider vinegar might help reduce total cholesterol, triglyceride levels, and blood pressure. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. 5. Antimicrobial properties. Acetic acid, the main component of apple cider vinegar, exhibits antimicrobial properties, which may help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and fungi. It has been used traditionally as a natural remedy for skin infections, nail fungus, and dandruff. 6. Skin health. Apple cider vinegar is sometimes used topically to improve skin conditions like acne, eczema, and dryness. It is believed to have antibacterial properties and help balance the skin's pH levels. It's important to note that while apple cider vinegar shows promise in some areas, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on human health. Additionally, consuming apple cider vinegar in excessive amounts or undiluted form can be harmful to tooth enamel, throat, and digestive tract due to its acidity. It's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or health routine. Thanks for watching.